Great manufactured home on a corner lot with large yard. Covered front and back porch west/new roof and gutters on the back porch. Interior features include a large open living room, big windows with tons of natural light, dark wood laminate flooring new in 2016, working air conditioner unit, vinyl windows throughout, tons of storage space, inside laundry, third bedroom converted to the formal dining room, walk-in shower and soaker tub, and a large master bedroom with lots of storage and closet space. Must visit.